Hi everyone, this is Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, and today I'm going to go to LEWISHAM market and see what's up there today. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'll be back soon. I'm here at LEWISHAM Market. You see these lovely bags. Let us see.
Yes. £2 no tax. 3 for £5.
So I'm here at the LEWISHAM Market. I've seen these lovely bags and purses. There's a lot of variety.
No,
Yeah, he's got some customers now. All these bags. I'm gonna go back down. All different colours, all different varieties. And he's got bags hanging up, all different styles. See, I've got this bag and it's lasted me a very long time. It's well good value for money. So yeah, his bags are really strong. And more here, you even got sort of flat side bag. And you've got these little kind of like going out bag. I really like this one here. This one's like a velvet one. And then you've got like the leather effect. All kinds of bags. And you know, you got your bus card holder. And these little side bags. And obviously the little going out bags here and here. But I really like this one. It's just got this little paper handle protector on it. Another side bag. You know, all kinds of bags. Clutches, long bags, side bags, big bags. And the one thing I like about this store, he's got different colours, so it's not always just the boring, you know, even though I wear a black bag and stuff, but he's got a lot of varieties in bags, which is good. Even this one here. Yeah, it's great. In here. So I'm going to try and speak to Festa and see what he's got to say and what days he's here and what times. Hi Fest, so yeah, what days are you here and what part of the markets?
Yes, Sundays, LEWISHAM Market today now. And on Sunday, right in front of H&M.
Yes.
Monday to Saturday, just beside Barclays Bank, Clock Tower. You can come and get all your fancy bags. Bless up Marcia who's doing all this, you know, and click up.
Yeah.
You know, to the street. So
yes.
All the pretty bags up there, fancy bag, backpack, everything you need, just come down. If you shorter information, hook up Marcia up on the YouTube and the whole thing work. Find with ease. Right in front of H&M and every Sunday, during the week at the Clock Tower, right next to the Barclays Bank, and everything sell out. Have a good look, everything is there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's first, he was just explaining what days he's here, so remember that. LEWISHAM Clock Tower in the weekday, and he's on here, down here on a Sunday, where the H&M is, just in front of there. So remember, if you can like, comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.